Hi, I'm Sam and I'm the owner of Wilco Projects. Paslode is all we kind of know when it comes to nail guns on site here. I think they're just the best product, the Paslodes, and yeah, I don't think we'd use anything else. So we've just had some experience using the PPN Paslode, and yeah, at first thought I was a little bit unsure, just because, like, you know, obviously we're just used to tapping away with a hammer, or sometimes we screw them, the hangers and brackets and everything. But honestly, like, me and Fred had a race, and he only did one hanger in the time that I did 2 or 3. So it was just like, yeah, I mean, all that time saved with the PPN gun just means more time for beers at the beach with the kids, you know.